future, where every meal nourishes not only our bodies, but also our planet. Meet Sarah. Like millions of people, her day begins with technology quietly supporting a healthier life. Her AI wellness assistant has already analyzed her sleep, activity, and nutritional needs for the day. Today's coffee wasn't grown on a farm. It's a sustainable coffee alternative inspired by traditional flavors while helping reduce pressure on forests. Breakfast is carefully balanced to match Sarah's unique nutritional needs, helping her start the day energized. As Sarah travels to work, autonomous transportation gives her more time to enjoy the journey. Her study focuses on the genetic modification of hydrogen-oxidizing bacteria to enhance the essential amino acid profile and yield of food-grade microbial protein produced directly from atmospheric gases. Behind every meal is decades of scientific research focused on feeding a growing world more sustainably. Food now grows closer to where people live, reducing transportation while providing year-round freshness. An intelligent system suggests meals based on Sarah's health goals and today's activity level. Technology makes healthier choices easier, but sharing meals with friends remains timeless. A protein-rich pancakes made with innovative ingredients that use fewer natural resources while delivering excellent nutrition. Lunch features cultivated seafood paired with fresh vegetables, designed to reduce pressure on wild fish populations while delivering familiar flavors. The dessert arrives as beautifully printed chocolate, crafted with remarkable precision and minimal waste. Disposable plastic has become far less common, with innovative edible packaging helping reduce waste. Every small innovation contributes to a cleaner and more sustainable future. Less waste, better nutrition, and smarter farming. Small changes add up to a healthier planet. On her way home, Sarah stops at a drive-thru where healthy food is prepared in minutes, using fresh ingredients from nearby vertical farms. The most important ingredient hasn't changed. Meals are still about bringing people together. Every meal today reflected decades of scientific innovation and a commitment to leaving a better world for tomorrow. The future of food isn't just about what we eat. It's about how science, innovation, and human creativity can help nourish both people and the planet. Imagine what's possible. Subscribe and explore the future with Infiniora.